Welcome, in front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how we can customize the hotel mode. So you have to simply tap the menu button on your remote control. Next, use right arrow to go for the lock. You have to tap on it 4 times. Then go below for the system lock, click OK and input your password. If you don't know your password, it will be probably 4 times 0. As you can see, in my case it's wrong password because I just changed it for this one. Then you have to scroll down on the hotel mode. When you want to activate, click OK on your remote control. And as you can see here, you can find a lot of settings. So we can change the default source. So we want to decide what your guest want to watch. So for example, let's pick the HDMI. And then we can change the default volume. So all the operation that you are making with your remote control is you simply navigate with the arrows and the OK. So we can change the default volume to 10. Click OK to confirm. Then we got the maximum volume. We can change it for maybe 50. Click OK to confirm. There we got also the import and the export database, but we are not going to use it. There we got also the search lock, sub-menu lock, user setting safe, and a clear lock. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.